In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get pen pressure running on Paint Tool SAI. Even though I work as a software engineer, I'm also in love with digital art, and I first started doing it with SAI around 2012. And since I switched to Mac OS, I noticed it's a real struggle to get Paint Tool SAI to interact with your tablet pen so that it preserves the pen pressure. It's not impossible, but the most solutions I tried involved either installing a whole virtual machine with Windows, which is super heavy, and also the virtual machines are not always free. For instance, I tried Parallels Desktop, it's not free, and it didn't support my Bluetooth tablet, and the beauty of it is that it's small and portable and I don't have to have it turned on via this cable all the time. That's the beauty of it, but I couldn't use it the way I wanted to use it. And then I tried some other solutions that involved different custom drivers that were supposed to let me use pen pressure, but then when I read more carefully, in fact, they didn't. It didn't work on my machine. It didn't solve my problem, even though I'm sure they must have helped many, many people, but not me. So I was like, wait a second, I'm a software engineer. I can try to solve this problem. And it works in my machine. I'm very happy about it and I want to share it with the world. So first of all, you need to have some kind of a tablet, a device with macOS, be it Mac Mini, MacBook Pro, or like any kind of Mac really. And I assume that if you have them both, you had already connected them in a way that there is a driver that lets your Mac read the tablet's pressure, right? Then we're going to download Paint Tool SAI version 2 together. Here's the link. We're going to scroll down to the technical preview stable version. That's important. And we're going to open the 64-bit one. That's also important. It's only 3 megabytes, but it amazes me that it takes it so long to get downloaded. The file is inside of the downloads folder. We need this site2.x really. Just to let you know, just to show you how it would have looked like without my solution. Let's just cd to that folder and find site2.x. You don't have to do anything like that, just wanted to show you. Here we have some errors right away, and if I try to turn my tablet on, draw something, you will see that the pen pressure is just not there, even though in the settings the minimum size is set to 0%. So it's supposed to be there, but it's not there. You just go to the latest release page, scroll down, and here under assets there's this zip file. You're going to open it. SAI pen pressure. Here it's asking whether you really want to install it because it's from an uncertified developer, I think it's called. That's me. Because you have to pay around $100 per year to be able to sign your apps, and well, I mostly develop stuff for myself, so it doesn't make sense for me. So you go to privacy and security here, you scroll down, click on open anyway, click on open anyway again, and then use your password. And here it is. I already run Vine on my Mac, so I don't have to install anything. If you didn't have it, you'd just have to click on it and it would install it for you. The folder is this one. We can just set it. I had set it previously, so that's why it remembered it. And input monitoring permission, basically, you just have to go to the system settings. So the most important thing is to go to input monitoring permission and here. And as you can see, it just got added in here, but I think we have to edit manually. So I removed it. now it says that it's not there. So let's grant it, and it opens it, but you have to be the one to click on plus, select the folder, and open the thing. Quit and reopen, as it said. And yay! Here with the command and control, it's not working too well right now, so I'm going to deny it. You don't have to turn it on either. And now let's launch it with pressure and hope it works. The first launch is a bit longer, so let me just create a file real quick and let's test it. Yay! It's working. I'm very happy about it. So SAI used to be my go-to program when I was a teenager, and I loved using it. And even though there are so many programs nowadays, SAI just feels different to me, and it's also so nostalgic, and I love drawing in SAI. So I don't know, it just feels so satisfying, and as a child I loved it, and I still love it. I don't think you have to reinvent the wheel. I understand there are some, let's say, webtoon creators who are so good at what they do and they need much more advanced stuff, but sometimes all you need is just a simple, lightweight program developed by one talented developer in C++. Really, there's sometimes that's all that you wish for. And I'm so happy about the fact that I can finally draw the way I wanted to. And also as for the license, because I assume you guys also bought the license. So when you place it into the same folder, it kind of recognizes it. You may have to reopen SAI, so don't start any serious projects unless you tested that you can save stuff. For me, I already did it behind the scenes, so that's why I can export, let's say, my test canvas in camel case, file type SAI, and I can close it and open it, and it's here. Thank you for watching.